Does YouTube keep playing in a floating window every time you leave the app? If you find picture-in-picture mode distracting and want to turn it off completely, this video will show you the quickest way to disable it on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings app, scroll down and tap apps, then find and open YouTube from the list of installed apps. Now tap picture in picture. Here you will see the option allow picture in picture. Simply turn this option off. When it's disabled, YouTube will no longer open in a floating window when you leave the app. Now let's test it. Open the YouTube app and play any video. Press the home button or use the home gesture to leave the app. This time, instead of opening in picture-in-picture mode, the floating video window should no longer appear. If picture-in-picture is still showing, try completely closing the YouTube app and opening it again. On some devices, restarting your phone can help apply the new setting correctly. Keep in mind that the location and appearance of the setting may vary slightly depending on your Android version or phone manufacturer, but you will usually find it inside the YouTube app sitting under your phone app section. That's it. You have successfully turned off YouTube picture-in-picture mode. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.